good morning. This is Kudo Godards Paul Cars, and today we're gonna buy a car from Mr. Francis at Santa Ana, Manila. And hi, good morning, Mr. Francis. This is Mr. Francis, my very, very pogi client. Halika, let's buy the car na. Check na natin one last time, tapos let's just do documents.
Akit na tayo sa
Sige.
parking. Talaga yung specialization ko sa physical therapy. So, mga clients ko, sir. Yan. Tabelo, sila, Albert.
I'll follow you now. So, kung gusto nyo magpa-therapy, trigger point therapy, nakatuwa naman. Oh, yung mami ni Quark nandito. Galing, nakatuwa. That's why I like what I do kasi I meet a lot of people every day. And iba-ibang line of business, iba-ibang specialty. Ayan, so si Coach Franz. Coach Francis, yan. So, trigger point therapy if you want to, yan, muscle alignment, bone alignment, bone setting. Okay, this is the car naman, 2022, no?
2022, sir. Ito,
Check natin. Okay, ito yung sport.
yes.
So, ang difference ng sport to everything else, number one, may sunroof, no? And yung leather niya, parang pag bumalik ka ng Lexus na F-Sport, usually red yung leather. Not all the time. Start pa, laging red. Sir, start ko lang. Okay, let's just start it. Projects pa din. So, as everybody knows, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. That's why I always show you yung condition ng kotse pag binibili. Mileage is 57,000. Check the sunroof. Gumagana. Everything checks out naman. I'll just open the hood. One last final inspection. Ah, nice! Maganda naman ng Geely. Geely is really good. Lalo na lumabas ito. Talagang unique nito yung market eh. For the price point.
Point, tapos yung
Features.
features na hindi mo makikita sa ibang brand.
Correct. Okay. No signs of collision.
Yung nasa warranty pa eh. I think it's 5 years warranty. sir.
Oo.
So, kompleto pa naman.
Yeah, complete na everything. Okay. Shake hands. Para meron tayong ebidensya. Kabineta mo sa akin. So yun, doon tayo kabilis. We're just gonna pay. Sa akin yung cash. Actually, tapos na tayo. Thank you so much, Coach. And
Thank you, sir.
ako naman yung tatawag sa'yo soon. Very soon. Kasi lagi nandito ko. So parang chronic pain na nga siya. So I'm very, very happy. So we're done. So if you wanna buy cars, wanna sell cars, let's go to Godards Paul Cars. Your favorite car trader in Metro Manila. And this is Coach Franz, your favorite PT in the entire universe. Have a nice day.